Okay guys, welcome to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diet and I'm Dr. Lou. Now today we're looking at eggs. 5 reasons why eggs are a fantastic superfood on keto. Okay guys, so eggs. They're seen as a fantastic food. People question them. Sometimes they see them and demonize them. They say they're full of cholesterol. They're full of fat. They're all there going to cause trouble. They've got special salmonella food poisoning on them. These are claims that people make about eggs all the time. Now, the reality is eggs are a superfood. So this is whether you're on a normal diet or whether you're on a keto diet. But when you're on a keto diet, they are amazingly a superfood. We want to look at the 5 main reasons as to why that's true. So if you've been wondering, oh, I've eaten too many eggs today, stop. You have to understand that now you're on a keto diet. All that fat is pure energy. So you're burning it off, you're not storing it. Second of all, there are loads of different nutrients present within those eggs. And why? Yes, you are going to want to have eggs included into your diet, especially if you're also building muscle mass. Eggs are fantastic for protein. So, okay guys, so here we go. You can see here, reason number 1. Okay, almost zero carb. Eggs are always pretty much put on nutritional information as zero carbohydrates. Why? Because there is such a small amount of carbohydrates within eggs. They are usually between 0.2 to 0.5 grams per egg. So you're literally not getting 1 gram of carbohydrates. You are getting 0.2 to 0.5. Now, what does this mean? This means you could eat 10 eggs and you've either had 2 grams of carb to 5 grams of carb. That is the reality. And because it's mixed into such a complex protein and a whole mishmash of fats, you are not going to be hitting even it hard on blood sugar, nearly nothing at all. So you have to understand that eggs, on the nutrition facts that you have a look on nutritional information, you will find that you've got fat, yes, you've got protein, you have 0 carbs, making them perfect for a ketogenic diet. Okay, guys, so no insulin spike, fantastic. Insulin spikes, it will slow down ketone production. So that is a perfect food for keto. So guys, now you've found the perfect 0 carb food for keto. Okay, guys, now let's move on to reason number 2. High quality protein. Now, this is vital. Many people don't understand it's a complete protein source. This is very hard to find in foods. You need to understand that you're getting this egg, and people question about them. See, people are not too sure about eggs, and they always, oh, I don't know, eggs this, eggs that, is it bad for you? Are you serious? Eggs have everything for life. What do you expect them to do when you eat them? They're giving you life. So you're getting all the proteins you need. Yes, you're getting all the excellent complete protein source. Why? Because you're getting all the amino acids. So these amino acids are things which basically, they're referred to as the proteins, the building blocks of the human body, while amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. So basically what happens is you make a protein and the amino acids come and link together, boom, 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 and that makes what we call a polypeptide chain. And then off they go and they're folded into lots of different types of proteins that do fantastic roles, which are amazing. Now, this is why it's so important. They support muscles and metabolism. You must have this to be a proper healthy human. All your essential amino acids, 100%. Okay, guys, now we have reason number 3. Keeps you full longer. Right. This is one thing that a lot of people are missing. In the normal diet, people are chowing down for breakfast on cereal. Absolutely sugar rush, fantastic little treat it is. And then it's zooming up our blood sugar and then plummeting down and then causing us to be very tired unless we eat some more. Now, the whole idea with eggs, if you even mix them in with your cereal, which you won't have on keto, you will not want to eat at all, even after your cereal, as you go into the day. And it will help to contribute to not being just pure sugar going into your body and carbs. So this is the main idea. You eat eggs and bacon in the morning, you are just not going to be hungry for a very long time. The satiation, that you feel satiated from eating eggs and bacon, not just eggs as they are, you have so much protein and fat. It tells your body we are happy. Don't pang for more. When you're eating sugar, it pangs. Give me more, give me more, give me more. I want this instant energy. That is why you're constantly hungry or hungry after a short period of time. Here, protein and fat combo reduces cravings and it prevents overeating. So keto is amazing for losing weight because you burn fat so inefficiently, and then you just go to burn fat off your body as well as what you consume. You eat so little fat compared to the calorific content of fat and sugars that on this diet you also have loads of less calories, so you lose loads of weight as well. So this isn't just that, this also blocks you from overeating. You don't want to keep eating and snacking. How it combines to make a fantastic weight losing machine. That's what the diet is, especially if you have eggs. Okay guys, so here we go. Now, reason number 4, eggs are packed full of nutrients. You know that there's a whole array of them, and we're looking at these main ones that are very important. So it supports energy and brain function. You have there choline for brain health, acetylcholine, it's a precursor, choline's a precursor to make it. You have your B vitamins, a whole range of functions that they give you, including breaking down fats efficiently for energy, making you burn fat very well. And selenium. So selenium, guys, what is it for? It's fantastic for anti-aging, anti-inflammation, and they actually think it helps prevent cancer. So there you go. Go look up the research. Again, these things are being researched, but the whole idea is that's what they think. So if you're eating this, all you can get is nothing but benefits. Okay, guys, so going back to obviously talking about choline. Choline, yes, makes acetylcholine, which is essential mood, learning, and muscle control because acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter and it's there for your brain. So the whole idea is that neurotransmitters are essential for the brain's functioning, and you could ever see this is linked to obviously making sure you age well. You can have a good memory and a better mind as you develop through age. So guys, what a fantastic benefit. You understand now that eggs are a massive superfood, not just for keto, but for every diet. And you've been absolutely nuts not to eat them. So remember guys, packed full of nutrients, eggs support energy and brain function. Okay guys, so here we go. Moving on to reason number 5. Perfect keto fat source. That's right. They're perfect as long as you eat the yolk as well. You must eat the whole egg. Why? These are healthy fats. They help ketone production. So whatever you do, guys, as it says, don't skip the yolk. We understand that eggs are essential. And if you have them on a keto diet, you should be having plenty of them. At some stages, if you talk about even for myself, when you have a lot of eggs, you just end up with being able to have everything you need to make a healthy diet. Just imagine that. You are sitting there and you need to have your energy. What do? You make sure you go for the eggs, you get your ketones boosted, you start to burn loads of fat from your body. It is amazing. Now, I'm not trying to advocate going, over the top, but once I've eaten 14 eggs in one day and my fat and cholesterol and everything's totally fine and healthy. I've been tested every year and zero problems with cholesterol. So when we're moving on, we understand why is that. So there's a myth people think about cholesterol. Where does cholesterol come from? Guys, about 80 to 90% of your cholesterol is made from your liver in your body. You create it. So if you have a cholesterol issue, it's usually hereditary. And at that same time, you get a small amount from the foods that you eat. Cholesterol comes from animal products. So this is what you have to understand. Now, if you don't have tons of white refined sugar, you don't have loads of inflammation in your body. So what happens? You don't get any clogging arteries with cholesterol clogged in them. Why? Because they're not inflamed. You are avoiding sugars, so your whole body heals. So eggs are absolutely fantastic on a ketogenic diet or any diet. So guys, crack open the eggs. Don't forget, eggs are a superfood, and there's nothing that can stop that fact in science. They are packed full of things for your brain, for good learning. You want your children to go out there. You want your teenagers to go out there, all full of eggs to make their brain develop and be fantastic for the day of learning and absorbing all the information. You want eggs to have a fantastic mind going into old age. This is the perfect way. It also controls your mood, helps with mood control, learning, memory. Come on, guys. You can't get any better than eggs. So this is the main idea. Eggs, 100% superfood on keto. Don't have it any other way. We can see the takeaway is those 5 reasons are absolutely saying green light to eggs. You could have them any way you want, scrambled, fried. Yes, add them into a different food, mix them into your mince. Eggs are essential to your health. And even if you're on a keto diet or not, it's irrelevant. But a keto diet, it goes from being a superfood to an amazingly good superfood. So there you go. Eggs are amazing for a keto diet. Okay, guys, if you have any questions or comments, please pop them down there and I'll try my best to answer them. So guys, thumbs up, please, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.